So what they say is the girls who are veiled or face or whatever, they are wearing a uniform. So they say they are soldiers for Islam.
Right.
So for men, it's for example, it's the beard. Or, it doesn't matter what kind of form, but they say it's like a uniform. So they say, well, the mosques are for, so to say, their military bases. The people are the militaries, and the way they are dressing are uniform. So and of course that's very twisted in a very ridiculous way of seeing it, but that's how they viewed it. And of course it has to do with the ideology that Islam is the enemy. So what they do is they say, well, you're wearing a uniform. So in a political sense, I would say she's an enemy because of what she was wearing.
So in other words, it's like a symbol, right? It's a symbol of the Muslim takeover, right?
Yeah, true.
Of Europe.